Hello and welcome to our lesson on JavaScript const. We have learned that JavaScript const is one of the keywords by which you can use to declare variable in JavaScript. So we've talked about the importance of using const, that it allows you to maintain your value without changing it. But there are some properties that we must understand, like some rules of how const operate as a keyword. So the const keyword was introduced in the years 2015. That was when it was introduced. So since then, it has been a recommended way of declaring variable. Variable defined with const cannot be redeclared. If you have declared a constant, a variable with const, you cannot redeclare it. And this is what that means. So if I have const sitting as Lagos, and now I try to declare the same variable const city name equals to Abuja. Take a look. City name has already been declared, which means that I cannot redeclare it. The variables defined with const cannot be reassigned. You cannot change the value. You cannot reassign the values. Variable defined with const have block scope. So just like let that have with block scope, so you cannot redeclare it or reassign it outside of that scope. JavaScript const variable must be assigned a value when they are declared. So you cannot do something like this with const. Take out the value and then do something like this. City name. Is now equals to Lagos. Can you see this? Missing initializer in const declaration, which means that when you are using const as your keyword for variable declaration, you cannot declare it without adding a value to it. But if I want this error to go away, I just change this value and put Lagos. Then I'll remove this second line. Now take a look. You can see that the red squiggly line has disappeared because I'm already adding value as I'm declaring it. So you cannot first declare without adding value to it, which means JavaScript const variable must be assigned a value when they are declared. When to use JavaScript const, always declare a variable with const when you know that the value should not be changed. So when you know that the value of what you are trying to do will not be changed, then it is always recommended to use const. Use const when you declare a new array, maybe multiple items that are grouped together, new objects, where maybe you declare an object of a person that contains their age, contains their username, password, and stuff like that, or a new function, JavaScript function. So these are when you should use const. So as we progress in our lesson, we'll still touch and see how we can declare array, how object and function works in JavaScript. Thank you, and I will see you in the next class. Don't forget to practice and do more research on your own to understand this concept.